Yeah, QA/QC, they should be here. QA/QC man. Who's your QA/QC manager? Hello. Who is the QA/QC manager of Coticons?
Mr. Bien, sir. Today, Mr. Fata off, so Mr. Bien chance.
Ian, can you confirm these people are the ones we are receiving the documents from Coticons?
Yeah, usually Mr. Bien and also Mr. Fat is the person who can send to us the document about PAQC. So, yeah.
How about Mr. To? Like there's somebody like Mr. I don't know, Miss or Mr. To, THO, is it correct? I see also somebody aside from Mr. Bien. I think there's another one also sending documents to us. I hear. This one, Chan Van An, is correct?
Bên có công hơi ngoại trừ anh Biên với anh Thái hay gửi hồ sơ, còn có ai gửi hồ sơ QAQC không vậy?
QAQC thì có Biên gửi, Thái là Tây Thuật là Shop Rowing, Dương, Vũ Đình Dương là HSE.
Vậy 3 người đúng không?
Yes, đó là của CSA, còn MEB sẽ có anh Cường. Anh Cường ơi, anh báo các bạn bên MEB gửi hồ sơ á, anh giới thiệu các bạn.
Bên MEB thì sẽ có một bạn nữ là tên là An, sẽ sau này sẽ vô để gửi mấy cái hồ sơ, nhưng mà công tác của sau này thôi, tại vì là công tác MEB vẫn đang nhờ mấy bạn của bên team chia đây để submit luôn.
Let me start with the MEB. Mr. Arturo, so we confirm that about the document submission. Mr. Bien is mostly send about the PAQC, but Mr. Tai from Coticon is sending the shop rowing. Then also Mr. Yoon, he sending the HSE documents about the MEP. Because currently the MEP process is not implementing, so Mr. Kung will be in charge of the submission. Later we have another person, but currently it's Mr. Kung.
Yeah, I don't mind how they organize their QAQC and their document system, especially with the personnel. But I just want to make sure that there are no especially the reference numbers, they are all well organized. I mean, there should be double up. Maybe there's a reference number being used by CNS or CSA. Then MEP, there's another reference that could be like in conflict with each other. I mean, as long as the reference numbers are in order. No double up between disciplines.
So
yeah.
Okay.
Okay then. How about okay? Let's go with BMB. How about BMB? Who is in this meeting, or who are in this meeting from BMB?
Yeah, BMB here with the Arturo.
And who is the document controller from BNB?
Yeah, my name is Eon, and I'm document control.
Who is your QAQC manager?
QAQC manager, we will run after sir.
Yeah, but it's also important from him to be in this meeting because QAQC manager should control the documentation as well. So
we have all other Mr. Đức, and he QC.
How about Organo? Who's here from Organo in this meeting?
Hello, this is Paul from Organo. I am a project manager, and in the meeting we have a site manager and some electrical engineer, some design engineer, and also VC engineer, VC manager. The document is cannot attend this meeting because she has another meeting now. So sorry, but I will transfer information to her after the meeting.
Okay, so let the QAQC manager discuss whatever we discussed in this meeting today. Okay, so not to repeat again this process of the SharePoint. Okay, so the purpose of this meeting is first that so that everybody is aligned. How do we process the documentations? The moment the contractor submit to Archetype until we put in the final folder, which is either a folder number from us is folder number 2 or folder number 1. Okay. First of all, did you have any experience using SharePoint already?
Of course.
Hello? Do you have experience using this application already, SharePoint?
Of course.
Kotikons? You've been using this app in your previous projects already?
Yeah.
Nó xèo
Look
ra
out
được
now,
lên
they
đúng không?
have the SharePoint.
Yeah, we have research.
I mean, there are other platforms, but for Archetype, we've been using the SharePoint in our projects already.
Yeah.
Organo, have you experienced using SharePoint?
I'm afraid we don't have any hands-on experience about SharePoint being a teacher.
Okay, so just a brief introduction. So SharePoint is a platform or an application where we have to upload, download our documentations. Okay, so that they are all in order, and from Archetype SharePoint, there are some folders which we could share to the contractors and even to the client to upload your documents, and folders also where you can read and where you can read and download only. Am I correct? When they can download or read only in the other folders. Man,
Yes, I'm here.
do we allow them to download documents or they only upload documents?
There's some specific folder that they can download and upload, but some specific they can only view the documents and download without allowing the upload for the documents. So it depends on the folders.
Okay, so I will share to you I will share my screen. Okay, do you see my screen?
Yes, I see your screen, Mr. Arturo.
How about the rest? Can you see my screen?
Of course.
Yes, we can see.
Okay, good. Okay, so I have to open the SharePoint. This is the SharePoint for our project. So it's called Kingfisher Pandora Crafting Facilities. And you click Documents. Okay, for Archetype, but anyway, you cannot see anyway. So we are using for the project, we are using this PCM folder. Hello. So we are using this PCM folder, and here we have these 4 main folders. We have folder number 1. This is the we call it Pandora, or some they just put the code of the project like PAN. Then folder number 2 is archetype. Number 3 is publish, where this one you have some the contractor says access, and to reply is this is by the archetype. Okay, so most of the time the one who initiates